Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to explain you about the vitamins and their role in our body. Let's get started. What are vitamins? Vitamins are an organic compounds required as nutrients in tiny amounts by an organism. It cannot be synthesized in sufficient quantities by an organism and it must be obtained from the diet. Now let's have a look about vitamins classification. Vitamins are classified into two types. One is water soluble and another one is fat soluble. Water soluble vitamins cannot be stored and is readily excreted from the body. Being water soluble, as I told you in the beginning, there is continuous need of these vitamins to the diet to maintain healthy life. Now fat soluble. These vitamins can be stored in organs like liver and adipose tissue. Nothing but fat. Sufficient amount of these vitamins are always good for body. Overdose is toxic. Not only vitamins, anything taken in overdose or excess, it affects the health. Now fat soluble vitamins. There are 4 fat soluble vitamins: vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E and vitamin K. Vitamin A, it prevents heart attacks. It promotes good vision, especially in low light. It helps in immune response. It helps in bone growth, maintenance of epithelial cell growth. It improves skin health. It acts as antioxidant activity. Sources for vitamin A: liver, fish liver oil, eggs, milk, carrots and all dairy products, papaya, meat and etc. Daily requirement of vitamin A. We should take 600 micrograms or 600 mcg. This is the minimum and basic requirement of vitamin A per day. Now vitamin D. Vitamin D functions are: vitamin D helps build bones and keep bones strong and healthy. It increases absorption of calcium. It stimulates the cell differentiation, improves muscle strength, reduce inflammation, maintain blood level of calcium and phosphate for bone formation. It helps growth and repair of tissues. Sources of vitamin D: fatty fish, fish liver oils, fortified milk, egg yolk, chicken, meat. Daily requirement for vitamin D: 400 IU to 200 IU is daily requirement for vitamin D. IU means international units. Now vitamin E. Vitamin E functions. It has antioxidant property. It balances the cholesterol level. It repairs skin damage. It improves skin health. Vitamin E keeps hair shiny and healthy. It prevents sterility. It prevents cancer and heart diseases. Sources of vitamin E: all vegetable oils, corns, nuts, olive, greeny leafy vegetables, wheat germ oil and etc. Daily requirement of vitamin E is 15 mg per day. Now vitamin K. Vitamin K helps blood clotting. It is essential to stop bleeding from wounds. People with vitamin K deficiency may experience easy bruising, nosebleeds, etc. It maintains bone health. It fights cancer. It improves brain function. It supports heart health. Now sources for vitamin K: greeny vegetables, peas, green beans, broccoli, spinach and etc. Daily requirement for vitamin K is 120 mcg per day, that is microgram. Now water soluble vitamins. It has two types: non-B complex and B complex. The vitamin C is non-B complex and all the B vitamins are B complex vitamins. Functions of vitamin B complex: it forms red blood cells, stimulates the immune system, boosts skin and hair health, improves memory, increases energy and promotes emotional stability, reduces stress and improves mood. Especially vitamin biotin, that is B7, it helps to strengthen the hair and nails as well as in skin care. It accelerates cell growth and maintenance of skin and prevents hair fall. Best sources of vitamin B complex: spinach, beans, fish, chicken, nuts, oats, eggs and dairy products. Next slide is daily doses of vitamin B complex. Next is vitamin C. Functions of vitamin C. It increases collagen formation. It helps to heal wounds and repair the tissue. It boosts immune system. Vitamin C may use to treat and prevent the common cold and other diseases. Vitamin E is mostly used in wound healing and collagen formation. It helps in bone formation. It has antioxidant properties. It has anti-aging property. Now sources of vitamin C. All citrus fruits, gooseberry, that is amla, greeny vegetables, cabbage and spinach, tomatoes are rich in ascorbic acid, that is vitamin C. Milk is poor source of ascorbic acid. The daily requirement of vitamin C is 40 to 50 mg per day. Mega doses like 1 gram to 4 grams a day of vitamin C are still continued in common cold, wound healing and trauma of tissue. Important note: but food alone cannot provide a beneficial amount of these vitamins. Supplements may be helpful to fulfill the daily requirement of these vitamins. And that's it guys, this is all about vitamins overview. Please do remember to subscribe to my channel. My name is Srinivas and I thank you so much for watching.